you guys, welcome back to my channel and happy second week of Ramadan. I am in the kitchen today and we are making iftar. I already actually prepped a eggplant, chickpea, and lamb stew. So I'll show you guys how that turned out. But right now we're about to make some tiramisu. You guys, it is so easy. I actually made it last night just to test it out. It is the easiest thing ever. Anyways, I thought I would show you guys the recipe because it's such an easy thing to bring to like iftar parties or just have for iftar for yourself. It's so good. The first step is to take heavy whipping cream, sugar, and vanilla, and you whip it all together until it's stiff peaks. Then you'll add in your mascarpone cheese. You just set that aside. After we have our cream mixture, I'm gonna go ahead and get the ladyfinger cookies and we're gonna dip these in cold brew. I got decaf because my stomach is still sensitive to caffeine, but you can just get regular cold brew, or they also say to use espresso, but this is just easier. So then I'm gonna place the espresso or cold brew in a bowl, dip the ladyfingers, and then we're gonna do it lasagna style where we layer the cookies, add a layer of cream, add another layer of cookies and another layer of cream, and then dust some cocoa powder on top, and it's done. You just leave it in the fridge for a couple hours. So easy. I stuck that in the fridge and it'll be ready for iftar time. It's actually pretty early. It is like 2:30ish, so I made this super early, mainly so that I could get it done before Elena gets home from school. And I'm not fasting today, so I'm eating the lamb stew that I made for lunch, a late lunch. This is lamb, chickpeas, squash, zucchini, diced tomatoes, and some chicken stock. You guys, it is so delicious. I will try to leave like all the ingredients that I used down below in case anyone wants to make it. I also added a little bit of cilantro on top for a garnish, and it tastes like really fresh. Today's Monday. It's the first day of Elena back to school after spring break, and last week our schedules were just so bad. We were going to sleep so late, waking up so late. Today we did get her out the door at like probably 8:30, which is pretty good compared to last week. I'm gonna vlog Omar because I already took my makeup off, my hijab is off, and I'm holding a baby.
She's feeling wild and free.
No, what? No, I just don't want to put my hijab back on. But Omar's getting the salad prep. We have how much time? Like 7 minutes left?
5 minutes.
5 minutes until he can break his fast.
Yeah, I'm the only one fasting today. So.
Yes, I'm not fasting. So he's got the salad, and then we've got the rice and the stew, which I showed you guys earlier. It's so yummy.
That smells so good.
Yes, and wait till you see the tiramisu because it's very, very good.
I can't wait. I forgot that you made that too.
Omar's been on a milk kick as far as breaking his fast with dates and milk. And
if you guys have never tried this, it's like so good.
It is delicious.
Your dad is the one who got me on it. And like this is such a good combo, honestly.
So let me know if you guys ever break your fast with milk and dates, or you guys just water and dates. Let me know.
Is it sunnah?
I don't know if it's
milk.
I don't know if milk is sunnah or not.
I don't remember, but I think maybe possibly.
It might be, yeah. Maybe you guys can let us know if you know.
I know Jojo wants some.
He's eyeing it. Was there bugs in there?
No.
Oh, I just have to make sure, because Omar likes to eat bugs.
I don't open my dates before I eat them.
I know.
I just eat them.
Exactly.
But apparently that's disgusting, but I don't care.
Oh, who opens their dates? You guys, please be civilized. Please tell me you open your dates.
Okay, I just don't care.
Okay, moment of truth for the tiramisu.
I can't wait.
Been waiting for this all day. I soaked the cookies in the coffee a little bit more than I did last time.
Oh.
Just because I felt like it needed more coffee.
Wow, that looks so good.
So yummy. You want to sing Mr. Sun? Oh, Mr. Sun. Sun. Oh, Baba needs to sing it. We're gonna find him. Yeah, we're gonna find him. See the lake, Lele?
Yeah.
It's so sparkly.
So sparkly.
My baby.
It is the next day. We are on a family walk right now. We just sat and we're looking at this beautiful view. Okay, I had to switch to the phone because my camera died, but you can tell that spring is definitely on the rise because all the leaves are starting to bloom, blossom. What are they called? I don't know.
Go back.
We're fasting and it's like we have a few more hours left. Lele, what's wrong? Elena wants out of her car seat. I mean, stroller. I cannot talk right now. I'm so hungry.
Say video.
How many years have we been coming down to this lake, Lena?
Oh my god.
Nice.
Way before we got married. Before we were even engaged.
Yeah. Now we come down here with our family, our little family.
Hey guys, I do not even know what footage I got yesterday because basically the walk was, it lasted 15 minutes. We went to the lake, we sat, the kids were going crazy, and then we walked back home and my camera died anyways and I was just like, whatever. So anyways, today is the next day. I have some fun things to share with you guys today, some abayas to try on for y'all. I have so many new abayas, but I'm just gonna try on some of my favorites. And then I have a couple new things for the kids that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me start first with this abaya, which is actually an affordable find. It is $45 for the entire set. It's got this really cute little belt detail here that's like a separate piece that you tie over top. And the material is this really nice like textured fabric. It's really thin yet opaque. So I was obsessed with this find, especially the color too. It's stunning. The only thing is it's a little bit short on me. So I would say if you are 5'5" and below, then it would probably work for you, but it's probably like 2 to 3 inches too short for me and I'm 5'7". But otherwise, I mean, look how stunning it is. I'm just gonna try not to show the bottom, but oh, so good. Next, I got a few pieces from Veiled's Ramadan collection, including this gorgeous like tiered puff sleeve open abaya. It's got such amazing movement. I paired it with this dark brown, like a chocolate brown jersey dress underneath. And I just think this is so pretty. Another stunning outfit from Veiled. I have this long sleeve white basic dress underneath, and then this balloon sleeve jersey open abaya on top, which is just so comfy and so like simple and elegant. I also did my hijab a little bit differently. All the cool girls are wearing their hijabs like this, and I just think it's so chic. It's not too practical because I need to figure out how to like secure it. So if you guys know, let me know. I'm having a little bit of a hard time getting the colors to look right on my camera for some reason. So let me see if I can fix it. Okay, this is a little bit better, but it's looking a little bit more like red on camera, and in person it's more of like a wine burgundy color. It is so stunning. This is from my friend Batul's collection, and it is just so nice. It is so comfortable, so elegant, yet so modest. I am absolutely obsessed with this. It's really hard for me to show the colors, but it's so stunning. I love it. Shamelessly plugging my own abayas here because they will be available in time for Eid, inshallah, early next month. So I'll have the drop text sign up link in my bio, but you guys, it's so good. So good. And another moment for my white one that will also be part of my drop collection. So proud of these, you guys. You have no idea. You guys are going to love. Okay, I'm about to take Elena to a dentist appointment. I feel like I've been doing appointments all week. I had Jonah's 9-month checkup yesterday, and today is Elena's 3-year dentist checkup. But I wanted to show you guys a couple of things for the kids that are so super cute. Is this not the cutest thing ever? They're little wooden toys from a brand called Lala and Mo that are Islamic themed. There's a little wooden dollhouse that's like a mosque, and they've got a hijabi, and then the little guy, and it's so cute because Elena was literally playing with it and saying, Mama's gonna go pray, and then she was like, Allahu Akbar, and she went down. It was literally the cutest thing I had ever seen. These are little puzzles. They have so many cute toys, but this is like, basically you can learn the shapes, and it tells like the positions of prayer and stuff like that. So this is a small like Muslim woman owned business. I just thought it was so cute, so I'll have her link. Okay, so I ordered these for Elena and Jonah from Etsy, and I'm really excited about these. I think they're gonna be so cute. So Elena is always watching like Omar and I pray, and she's starting to want to get a little bit more involved. Okay, so I got her own prayer mat, and it's padded, and it's pink, and it's arched, and it's so cute. Got a little rainbow star, moon, clouds. Oh, so cute. I got another one for Jojo to match because, I mean, you can't be too young. So cute. So I'll have these linked below as well. It is a few hours later. I took Elena to the dentist, and she did so good, mashallah. And then we came home. I gave the kids bath. I took my makeup off, got comfy. And now we're on our way to my mother-in-law's house to go have dinner. And then hopefully, like, you know, once we leave, get back home, we could just put the kids to bed very quickly.
They're making kibbeh tonight.
Ooh, that sounds yummy.
I think all 3 kinds of kibbeh.
What are the 3
kibbeh,
kinds?
the regular kibbeh, the kibbeh labaniya, and kibbeh mishwiya. Kibbeh labaniya is the one in the yogurt.
Yeah.
Kibbeh mishwiya is the baked one, you know?
Oh, yes.
It's so good.
Sounds delicious. Happy Friday. It's the next day. After we got home last night, we put on Omar Suleiman's Ramadan series. I've been watching it, I just haven't been able to be super consistent, so I caught up last night. And you guys, if you're not watching that series this Ramadan, I will link it down below because it's so like literally chilling. It literally gives me chills. It's all about like what your purpose is in this life, and just about how like everything in your life was written for you before you were born. So anyways, I'll have it linked below. I also wanted to remind you guys that we are raising money for Gaza this Ramadan. I will leave the charity links down below. We are raising money for medical aid and surgeries, life-saving surgeries. And then we're also raising money to sponsor orphans. I was talking to Omar earlier, and we talk about this all the time, but just how incredibly sad. There are gonna be over 10,000 orphans in Gaza. We were really hoping for a ceasefire today, but sadly it did not pass. Anyways, my heart and prayers are always with our Palestinian brothers and sisters, and make sure that you guys are donating generously this Ramadan because they are only solely running off of donations right now. I have a friend, Hina, her handle on Instagram used to be Story of Style, now it's Dr. Hina, and she's an OBGYN. She's in Gaza right now volunteering as a doctor, and just hearing her personal perspective of being there right now, you guys, she said that it's like literally we are only seeing 5% of the tragedies that are happening there, and that just makes my heart just ache so much. So anyways, I don't want to leave this video off on such a negative note, but I pray all of you guys are having a wonderful Ramadan so far. And anyways, I will see you guys in my next video, inshallah. Bye.